Imagine you spend days writing unit tests for your feature without using ChatGPT. You feel proud on your test code until your manager asks you to prove to him that your test code is good. You grab your coffee and sit next to your manager, explain line by line to him. This is sincerely not a good way. Now here is where test coverage comes in. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily generate, view, and understand test coverage reports in your Flutter projects. First, a quick why. Test coverage helps you to identify areas of your code that aren't being exercised by your test. It's a metric, usually expressed as a percentage, that tells you how much of your codebase is being hit when your tests run. It doesn't guarantee your code is bug-free, but it significantly reduces the chances of critical logic going untested. Most importantly, you are now able to visualize it. Now let's dive into the code. So here I have created a simple widget test file. The first step is super simple. Flutter has built-in support for generating coverage. So run flutter test -- coverage command. You'll see your tests run as usual. Once they are done, Flutter will generate a new directory called coverage in your project root. And inside it, a file named LCOV.info. This LCOV.info file is the raw data. It's not very human readable on its own. It looks like a bunch of file path and numbers. To make that LCOV.info file useful, we need to convert it into an HTML report. For this, we use a command line utility called LCOV. On macOS, if you have Homebrew, you install by running brew install LCOV. On Windows, you can install it manually or use a package manager like Chocolatey and run choco install LCOV. Next, generate the HTML report. Once you have installed LCOV, we can use gen HTML, which is part of the LCOV suite, to generate the HTML report. This command takes our raw LCOV.info file, processes it, and outputs a series of HTML files into a new directory, coverage/HTML. Lastly, view the HTML report. In terminal, run open coverage/html/index.html. Now you can clearly visualize the line coverage of your test code so that you don't have to explain line by line to your manager anymore. Just send him the screenshot of this report. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next tutorial.